So right now we're going to be looking at a pair of John Elliott leather suede Escobar sweatpants, specifically the tan version of these. Now, if you guys been following me, you know I already did an unboxing of like the grayish, bluish looking type of ones. But right now I was able to get my hands on this beautiful, just like tan, brownish type of suede. And I want to just kind of jump into it and just kind of see, is it worth the money? Is this really worth 1,600, 1,700 that they charge for these? And just kind of give you my initial thoughts, if you should, get it in your normal size, potentially what you could style it with, and maybe I might even show you what type of hoodie I would wear with these John Elliott leather suede Escobar sweatpants. So the very first thing I want to say with these as I hold them in my hand is that if you are considering purchasing these, you need to order one size up. And I'm starting to think that's going to be true with any sort of suede or leather John Elliott Escobar sweatpants. Once you're getting away from the cotton ones, if you're going to go the suede or leather route, you got to order one size up. I realized the previous ones that I purchased that were in my original size, which was a size small, it was just too tight around the waist. And who knows, maybe it might break in eventually, but I don't know. I was just wearing it and I was like, well, this is just too tight. I mean, the fit overall was kind of okay around the legs and everything, but just the waist felt like it was gripping me a little bit too much. Whereas with these right here, what I'm noticing, I got these in a size medium. And again, I'm normally a small, but I purchased these in a size medium. These right here, when I slid them on, I just felt much more relief in the waist. I felt like I could stretch more in them. I felt like I could, run around, do more things in them. So that's number one, order one size up. These are also a pair of leather suede Escobars that I purchased secondhand. So these are not brand new. So we're also gonna kind of dive deep into how this suede is holding up from it already being used. And I know a lot of you guys probably like, oh, I would never buy used pants, whatever. Me, my motto is this way. I'm like, hey, I'm gonna wear these to the ground anyway, right? So if I'm gonna wear them to the ground anyway, I mean, who cares if it's slightly used or whatever, right? I want that. That's actually kind of even better because now that I know it's already slightly used, it's gonna make me want to just break it out the box quicker and just wear it even more because that freshness of it is kind of slightly already gone. But these still look fresh for some, used ones. But you guys can kind of take a look at the suede too when we kind of jump into it. But right off top, as you see, I see a little bit of the reary zipper right now. So just that reary action, that right there just adds a nice little touch. All of John Elliott's Escobar sweatpants have like that reary zipper. I love that. You got the little drawstrings right here to kind of adjust this when you wear it with socks. So that's real cool. I love that little feature to it. And we are going again with the slimness. So I see the slimness. See the cut right here, how it just cuts all the way down with the little lines? This symbolizes that slim look. That's what I love about this. So I already could tell it's gonna fit slim. I feel kind of like the stretchiness in it too. These have like really good stretch material. So very fresh as I pull it like that. 2, which is a size medium. And then this kind of goes into everything that it says it is. Professional dry clean. Now kind of giving it like a in-depth look right now of the suede. I mean, this is beautiful. Wow, just like this tan brown. I feel like this is just gonna age so blissfully. Like this is, wow, really fresh. This looks like something like really like you could probably, if people seen you just walking around with this, it could kind of pass for something like out of like a Fendi store or like Gucci or something like that. Like just that tan brown really stands out, gives it like this nice type of like cowboy looking color, but yet just uniquely different. Now, again, these are slightly used, but as I'm looking at it right now, I do kind of see a little bit of signs of wear, but it's nothing major, right? So like, for example, right here, I see a little something right there. Not really that big a deal, but as I come right here, I love the little attention to detail. This is one of my favorite things about John Elliott is just that reary zipper. All the rearies in it, it's pretty fresh. Going in, nice little pockets on the inside. Flipping it around. Love the nice little drawstrings right here that come into it. Real fresh with the pockets. Again, I don't see any major stains here. Kind of going down. I love this right here, the cool little detail that adds to the slimness. They made the little elastic waistbands kind of like that clear color, which is cool. And going down right here, I mean, maybe I could kind of see a little bit of the wear in the suede here, but it's not, again, it's not necessarily a big deal because my goal is to wear these out anyway, right? So if I'm gonna wear them to the ground anyway, you know. And as I see right here, very smooth in the back part, real fresh. And I feel like I just can't wait to see how these are gonna hold up the test of time, right? Like when you read about these, right, it's talking about how they're gonna age so blissfully. But honestly, I feel stretchiness in them. So if you're looking for something that could kind of stretch and be comfortable, these are definitely it. So my initial thoughts just on quality, I mean, the quality is definitely there. I mean, just feeling that stretch, feeling that suede, this is like so soft, like it's unbelievable. It's like, wow, they actually made suede leather sweatpants. This is one of the softest things I felt. It being worth the money, I mean, yeah, I mean, it definitely does feel like some $1,000 pants. I will say that. But without further ado, let's go ahead. Let's try it on. I'm going to go ahead and try this on with a simple black John Elliott hoodie because off the top of my head, I think just like wearing a black top is the first thing I would think of how to style these. And let's jump right into it. Okay, so my initial thoughts on these John Elliott leather suede Escobar sweatpants. First off, number one, hands down, I love them. These are so unique. This is something like, if you're spending a lot of money, right, on some like any sort of like leather Escobar sweatpants, anything, the first thing I think is, can somebody else replicate this, right? Is there another brand that has something that looks just like this? And for the most part, I don't think I've seen any other storefront or anybody that had leather suede Escobar sweatpants, at least not that I've seen when I've been walking around malls or even looking on websites. So that right there alone kind of makes it worth spending a little bit more money on these because not everybody really has them. Second off, the comfortableness, these are very comfortable. This has stretch type of material in it. They really went all out with making sure it was stretchy. So I could see myself just lounging in these. Like, even though these are kind of like, you would think something that you would dress up and everything, definitely something that you could be comfortable in. I could see myself sitting on long flights with these. I could see myself sitting down in airport lounges with these. I mean, definitely something that I feel like I could wear a lot and be very versatile. And not only can you be comfortable in it and be like relaxed, but you could also dress them up. And that's kind of the oxymoron with leather sweatpants, which is what I kind of always loved about leather sweatpants in general. But yeah, that right there is my first initial thoughts. Another thing I will say is that the only slight thing, a con that is kind of just, maybe it's my fault, is that I'm looking at these and I'm like, dang, what shoes would I wear with these? Right? Like, I know it's like the light tan. I'm just thinking, like, would I only be able to wear white, sneakers? Should I just wear like some like white flats? Like, could I wear black? Would that look right? Because they're comfortable, they're cool. I feel like I can wear them all the time, but it's just like, I think finding the right sneakers for these might kind of delay me being able to wear these as often, right? Like as much as I just want to grab and go with these in the morning, what's going to stop me is I'm going to be like, well, wait a minute, what shoes am I going to wear with these, right? So what do you guys think, right? Leave a comment down below. What type of shoes do you think would go with this, right? Because I'm kind of stumped, right? Naturally, I'm thinking white, but even if I do wear white, like should they be like bulky, like type of track shoes? Should they be that way, what? And then, so I don't know. That's kind of what I'm thinking about. But overall, just the quality of them, I love them. This is unique. And I'm actually glad I bought these used, because now that I bought them used, again, it's motivating me to just bust them out the bag and just wear them automatically, right? Stop all that waiting around. Stop all that, oh, I'm going to just keep holding them and looking at the tags. Like, there is no tags to really look at and just hold and cherish it, right? You got to break them out, wear them out to the fullest. So that's what I do love about it. And then only time will tell if these will hold up over time. Obviously when you read the little slogan online and you read the little, promotion on it, it's like, oh, these are going to just, age blissfully and have its own unique type of look over the years. And I feel like only time will tell with that. So we'll kind of see how that is. Obviously my goal with these is to wear these out, wear them to the ground, wear them to the fullest. I just need to figure out what sort of shoes I should be wearing with this. So again, if you're looking at this right now and you know what type of shoes I should wear with it, go ahead, drop a comment below. Tell me what you think, how I can kind of style these. But yeah, I think this is a great piece to add to your wardrobe. I can't wait. I think this is actually a timeless piece. This is one of those pieces from John Elliott that, it's just going to hold the test of time. It's something that you could be wearing 5, 8, 7, 10 years from now. You can still be wearing these versus all that other, little trendy stuff that's just here today, gone tomorrow. We all forget about it. So yeah, like the video, subscribe down below to the channel, and stay tuned.